Okay, I put some latency because I turned on this mode because I think my internet is not stable enough to do the low latency thing. Would be much better because I can interact better with the chat, but fuck it. Oh, internet is so bad today. Okay, let's first share. So today we're gonna do all this shit here. Gonna add the metadata thing on the pages, delete buttons. Each page will have a extra request because I want to cache the pages, but it's really hard to cache some stuff when you have login sessions and when you have login buttons. You need to know if the user already like or dislike something. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a cache. So I'm gonna give the user that page really fast, and then I do another request really simple that just tell me if the user did some interaction with that page or not. Because I don't want to create a... It's getting dark. Don't want to create a different cache for each page or for each user. Don't make any sense. I mean, if I do that, I'm not taking advantage of the cache. Okay. Close this. I will be able to release the project in next, maybe Sunday or Monday or after tomorrow. So our website is, I open the... So while I was on the airplane, I already did this thing to research, let's say Bangkok. So I can select Bangkok Then I go to Bangkok and I can see the scams in Bangkok. Of course, I'm gonna say something like, "Oh, we don't have any scams, please," blah blah blah. We'll have a button like this. I have to make the second request to see if the user is logged or not. Oh shit, what's going on? Someone follow me on Twitter. So let's start by doing the meta thing. So since we don't know anything about metadata, we go to this website. I should generate an image automatically. So when people share on Facebook or on Twitter, I'm gonna do something like resume. Actually, I forget to put so people know what I'm doing. I'm sad that I cannot put the stream in the without the delay mode because my internet today is quite bad. The upload quite bad. Click scam and comment. Report scam button. So let's put another one. I need to resize the image too because I don't want people to put massive image. Yeah, I need to do a lot of stuff here. One image per country and the default image. I can do this automatically, but the image will be shitty. I was thinking about use Unsplash, but I searched some countries and they have shitty image. Sometimes they have image that are like really crazy, like 10 megs, and sometimes are portrait instead of landscape. Hello. Okay, I have to generate a XML. Okay, this is all things I will do when I launch. And this is things I can do today. What is this? Okay, title. Let's see. Title is yeah, this is title. article. Let's say 1 year. I don't like this one. There is ones that show Twitter, Facebook. Okay. I think I used this one before. One is for Twitter. Okay, here I have Twitter. Here I have the gonna make the main page site. Why do it? Site is website. Nope. Common site name. Site name comes to. I sleep 11 hours the last 3 days. So today I will not put the number of authors. Author. Ah. Shit. It's just to copy paste, so I don't really care. Okay. Then we're gonna copy the Twitter. I'm so done. Can go here. Need to get one article. I want the date one to put in the scams page. Yeah, I need to shave. Really shitty. Oh, where I have all this information. I forget, but I create a book, and the book have one website. All that shit. I remember. Oh yeah. Twitter thing. Okay, I'm gonna copy all this. Only tag I don't have is the cannot copy multiple. I will need to save it. Okay, description, few words I can put here. Here. I have image. One is for Facebook. I will not update this today because I have to create all the image. I will let that for the last part. When it is inside the page is the article, and when it's outside is a website. I can do this. Start my site. Okay. So now I have all these things. I will have to generate the content on each page. Okay, so now metadata. I already have the fields, I just have to put the information. The information is dynamic. Where the information? I really have to put now. Forget. Is the website description or the page description? Yeah, page. I'm gonna call it description. Should be inside an array. Because I'm afraid is so description. The keywords will be dynamic. The title itself will be dynamic. So all these are dynamic. This is here. I have to put all these files together in one file. So favicon. This can be, don't need to be dynamic. let's put. I can put the information all together. Image, Facebook. I think this is the title for Facebook. Holy shit, I have to image Facebook once again. Twitter card. Can be all the same. A title is a title. Why not create so many? I know that the image of Facebook is different size. This Twitter thing. Yeah, Twitter have a special image. Sizes. The HTML. Okay. Then I have the title. Holy shit. Many times this. But I think I need all these tags because they are different. One for Facebook, one here. Then I have image FB, the default one. Then I have the website URL. Actually not, is the current page. I print the current page URL. I don't know if Laravel have that. Site name. Site name. Website. Oh, this one special. Okay. One sometimes will be first page. Or category. Okay, then I'm gonna create here some logic. For now, I'm gonna put the home URL. Then I have to fix this shit. What's going on? Oh, people following me on Twitter. Thank you guys. Should be people that are watching me here. I hope the stream is okay. First streams were a disaster. The audio was really bad. Okay, now what you need to do is so you need to see this guy is called where home. Go to home controller, and here I have to pass the information. So I need yes. Oops, I'm not used to this keyboard. I was typing. So title. Okay, here's some information. alt title here, but yeah, I will use on the other pages. I will take advantage of this title thing because I have the name of the city. So from top to bottom, title, description, is really boring stuff. Action. But if you want to see what is boring, go to my YouTube channel, guys. You're gonna see most boring videos in keywords. Keywords. So I have the description. Now need favicon. And I need FB title, match Twitter. I'm gonna pass the URL thing. So I don't need a guy here. Oops. Okay. Here I'm gonna have another one. It's the last update. Just for the articles. So for the scams, I don't need a variable because I will have one. Yeah, I'm gonna have one. An art code, but Laravel already have the last update thing. I cannot code that. So next, OG meta. Oh, okay, now I have to copy paste, but it's done. Okay, so now I'm gonna go scan this scam controller. Otherwise, this thing is gonna go get scams by city. It is here. Get scams by city. Get the scam. Show scam form. Important to show scam update form. Oh yeah, babe. Okay, and hopefully this thing will not explode. Boom. Good. Let's Let's see if we have the tags there. Yeah, everything here. Then I'm gonna print this or print this depending on where I am. So yeah, but this is easy to do. Hey man, how are you doing? Long time no see, yeah? You still in Chiang Mai? My stream have a delay of maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, so it's a little bit hard to talk with the chat. You have to be patient. Maybe not 2 minutes, 30 seconds, but it's because when I put live, I have a problem with the upload speed is not consistent. Yeah, now I'm living in Dothamburi. It's near Bangkok. I'm creating a website where people can share information about scams. So you put Chiang Mai, you will be able to see if someone put scams here. What kind of scams Chiang Mai have? Let me remember. One time I was walking in Chiang Mai and some guys asked me, "Oh, you want to visit something? Oh, you should go to tourist office. It's much cheaper than all the other things you see on the streets." And then we start to walk. The guy draw a map for us, and they speak really good English, which is a red flag in Thailand. And then we walk a lot because we don't understood the map. And then he show up again on a tuk-tuk, and he took us to the tourist office. And the prices were really bad, like double or triple the price. But since it was tourist office, looked like a official thing. Yeah, I mean, all the content will be created by other people that want to help each other. So yeah, Laravel is really good. It makes the development really fast. So now user request information. Okay, so now we're gonna do something a little bit tricky. How I can explain you? Let's see. Let's search a country like Bosnia. Bosnia I have already two. Okay, I'm searching the country here, yeah. And I have here two scams. Okay. First I need a button to delete the scams if the scams are from my account. The thing is that if I cache all this shit, I have two options. Or I cache all these things for each user, which don't make any sense. Because I will have like 100 people visiting the website, I have 100 times this page on cache. And then I don't need any extra information. I can just print the button here if the user is the same that the one that create the scam. We need to fix this design, I'm sorry guys. Other option is I cache all this page and then I will put the buttons here dynamically. I will make another request to the server and this one is not cached. And I just gonna say on this URL, in this case it's country, you don't have any scams, or maybe you have one or two, so I can give that information back to the user and then I put the buttons here with JavaScript. I think is the best option. And I can take advantage of a cache system like Redis for example, which put the website in memory and is really fast. Thinking, yeah, I don't want to go to the database every single request. I will just update the cache when someone comment or someone delete or someone create a new scam, and I will update the cache just for the country that, for example, if I create in Bosnia, I just update that cache. I will use the country code is unique, so I can take advantage of that. So, thinking how I'm gonna do it, but we should have one thing called user controller. I hope. No, we don't. Okay. We don't have broken. Don't have a user controller, but we're gonna create one. PR design a controller. Okay. So I want to do different requests on different pages. If I'm on the home page, all I want is to know if the user is logged or not, and if he's logged, I want the information of that user. So I can do like return. I think it will work. Yeah, I don't want anything more. So if I'm seeing a country or a city is the same thing, listing, list. His name is really bad. So here I want to send the city or the URL. Then I have to break it. It's better to city, no, country, city, and Timor. Not sure if I need anything. Okay, then what I need to do is, if the guy is not online, well, to have people online, my record. If the guy is not online, I can do off check, I think. I can return empty. Oh no. Okay, if the guy is online, is offline, I just do that. Then I can hide the comment, the create, all these things. So if the guy is on a country, and I'm not sure if the city exists, so oh, much easier to do like this. The city is no, it means just country exists. and the last one is the just exist the country. Okay. So now, what I want to do, we will have pagination. It's kind of important to me to know which page the person is. That's important. Oh, but Laravel have pagination on get. I don't need it. So how are we gonna do this? Let's see the website to help us. So here I will have a delete button. I don't need pagination actually. We'll have a edit button, delete button. Or maybe I can put all that information, the delete and the edit, inside the user page. So I don't really need to do it here. Wow, so we save a lot. So we delete this shit. Ah, that's cool. I'm afraid people will get confused. They create something and they cannot delete or understand why this thing. Oh, I know why. I comment this because I was working on the airplane. Can uncomment. What's it? Not happy. Sleep 11 hours. Last 3 days, so I have no idea what I did. I thought I there is text. Wow. Oh, I think I know. Take. Sure, but you cannot. Or you can. Okay. Something is here. I do count. Okay. I never know how to write this thing. Okay. Yeah. I write it wrong. Like this. Maybe I can't. Embarrassing search. Oh, this thing should work. Okay. So there is a error in two. Oh, okay. Easier. Let's see how many. Oh, we have a GS error. What the? What's going on? For some reason, this code is not running. That's odd. Crash. Oh, okay. Crash. Okay, we have an error. I was not. Okay. Still don't. Okay. Fixed. So yeah, and this should work. Yeah, done. Cool. Another function to get the cache inside the scam. Do I need? I think I'm being a little bit dumb. I don't need all this. Maybe just one for the likes. Not that I cannot print all the IDs of the likes, but the delete button, and I don't need. I can get to the user information. Okay. Can get it one time, then save client side. To the end of the session. Okay. Public. Likes cache. Okay, I want to see if when I'm inside a scam, if I like any of that. Scams. So better put scam ID, and this is a number, and then I return quote where scam ID equal scam ID. I want to know if I already vote for that scam, so what I want is kind of exist. Put here where sleeping. This should work. Let's see how I create a database of the votes. Can't remember anymore. MID, user ID, perfect. So this will return true or false, and I should check. This guy is not logged. Let's create a JSON. Okay. See. I have a fun. 15 followers. Wow. Getting famous. Run for president. Jason. Okay, so oops. Yeah, I'm gonna record and I'm gonna put this on YouTube. You want to follow my YouTube? Just visit my website. I have there the link for YouTube. Usually I put there the. You can visit here too, my channel, and the video will be here for I think 15 days. Then they delete the video, but on my YouTube channel will be there forever. Unless I can upload that, I can't upload there. Sometimes there is bugs. There is one video I was not able to send to YouTube. going on here? I'm so sleepy that I cannot see the bug. I think there is something wrong here. But I really need to stream today. Okay, there is a... This? Is end. Where you can see that. I have something. Wait. I don't have. Oh, okay, this is the delay. Yeah, I delete. Something is wrong here. Or maybe it's the... Let me close. Yeah, something is wrong. When I do the request, I'm gonna see the bug. It's okay. I still see here a red dot, a red like tilde. So it's okay when I make the request. I know at least there is one thing missing here. But VS Code is good, but to be honest, I don't find there any PHP software that work really well. Yeah, PHP Storm is good, but after using for a while, it's consuming like 6 gigs of RAM or something like that. It's insane. Where? Oh, my where is not closed. It is here, no? Let me see. Where? Oh, user ID of user. Oh, my where is closed. Am I seeing wrong? Okay. When I run this, I'm gonna see the error. No problem. So I can check now if I like something or not inside the page. Homepage user, and see if the info, let's call it like this. And let me see if I can cache anything else. Okay, now I was thinking I need to know if I can edit or delete, but I'm being dumb because it's quite easy. I just have to put the ID of the person that created this, and then with GS I can verify if the ID is equal to mine. It means it's my stuff. If not, I don't show the button. So let's see here. Okay, final body. Okay, here I'm showing the information of the scam. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create here another where I want to put the button, delete button, maybe in the corner. Yeah, in the corner I'm gonna put like a drop down. I'm using but so Oh, I don't expect so many people watching me today. Usually when I do stream 7 p.m. I just get friends watching. Oh shit. My phone. Drop down, okay. So we're gonna put here a small button. Create a class. I don't know what I did. Nothing is for. Okay. Manage them. And I'm gonna put data user. And here I can print the user ID. I just do scam user ID. Super simple. I was so here you can put like edit. Okay. I'm gonna put the drop down here. And then the comments. I have a comment here. Yeah, the comment will have the same thing on the corner. I just have to check. The user ID is the same. It's quite easy. So I'm gonna put here and the name is comment. Do comment have user ID? Yeah, I have for sure. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna learn how to do a Dropbox. Oh fuck. Kill one. See what options they have. I think Laravel already have like the icons thing. I don't need to use the font awesome. Okay, let's see the first one. Yeah, I want something like this. Okay, escape. Yeah, well, awesome. So let's see if these guys still have the. They have the icon. They don't have. Okay, I need the external thing. It's a little bit annoying. Oops. What's going on? Why they don't suggest Fantasm? Let's put Fantasm for now. And then I'm gonna use a tool. No, actually I'm not using any JavaScript framework. I'm just working with HTML and jQuery because this website will have a lot of content, and I think there is a lot of problems if you want to index your website if you use React, because the content will be rendered here, or you have to do a trick like pre-render, and then will take forever to compile if you have like 10,000 or 100,000 articles. Let's think positive. Forget that. So I'm gonna use like just normal stuff. Usually I use Vue.js on my project, but I search and you have to use a pre-render thing, and it's kind of then render the content server side, but it takes forever. A good idea. Where I put the button is missing here. Ooh, pretty bad. This is really bad. Hang on. Not sure why. Let me see here. I think the second button is under the slide, but it's okay. I can fix it. Yeah. Where is the guy? Let's put the button. Not my lucky day. Yeah. If I was doing a big project, I would do that, but this is really small. I mean, this project have like 3 pieces. One is the main template, then there is a form to create, a home, a form to update, and then the view. It's really small. It's like 100 lines, and the main thing is 140 lines, and most of them is meta. No, not most of them, but 1/3. It's really small. If it was a larger project, I would break it. It's I have to finish this project in 2 days, then I have to start my third project. So what's going on? crash. Loading support load. My internet. I don't think it. Okay. So now search the text somewhere. Oh, there is some stuff there I cannot share. So, and to be honest, I really need to refactor the code because my main software, it's much bigger. I mean, it's insane. It's like 100 times this. I have a lot of functionalities. I have been developing for the past maybe 3 years, maybe. No, 2 years, 2 years. A lot of, we had a lot of new stuff. Okay, then I can edit. Maybe I don't want to put the delete button immediately. Okay, let's do something like this. I'm just afraid that for what I see there, we are not using maybe Bootstrap 4. I don't understand why, because it looks really bad. What I mean, I cannot show the code, it's because sometimes I have there like, why this so bad? I have some keys and stuff like that. I can show the development version, but there is parts of the code I don't want to show for security reasons. And I just can show off. I don't make the front end, just the back end, so there is one person taking care of the front end. This looks so bad. Why? Oh, I have code. I don't need font awesome. I have icons here. It means I'm using Bootstrap free. I don't understand why Laravel did it. Bootstrap free dropdown. What we use is usually when you want to do that, you use if the backend and the front end are not together, you use a middleware. You create a middleware and you create a class with permissions or a role, for example. If you want really specific, you can go with permissions, and then you can use the middleware on the route. Let me see. I should have some middleware here. Web. Okay. Actually, you don't have any middleware, maybe. Okay, but when you want to use a middleware, let's say this thing, this request, is just for someone that have the login done. You can do middleware. I think you can do like this. Oops. And then you put the name of the middleware. Or what I'm doing. I'm sorry, I sleep just a couple hours. Okay, here you put the middleware name. There is one called off for login. I'm gonna show you. If you want to add new middlewares, you go to kernel.php. Kernel.php is here, you see? And here you have middlewares. And you can create your own middleware. And you come here, let's say you create a new middleware called role. Then you come here and you add your middleware here. You just do like something like role. And then you can do the route like this one, you see? App, HTTP middleware, route, role, class. And then you can apply the middleware here. Like if is logged, you can put multiple middlewares like this. Role. And then the guy gonna run the middlewares is just one function. Where is the middleware folder? I'm gonna show you one. For example, there is one middleware that is for redirect if is authenticated. Okay. There is one function. To make a middleware, you just do php artisan make middleware role. See? Oops. I don't have make middleware. Don't exist. Okay, I write wrong. Make middleware. Okay, it's here. So if I come here, I should be able to see role. Okay, it's here. So you see? And then you can use if of user and you search for something. You have a role equals, and then you can pass here. You can pass another. You should read the documentation because role. And then on the route you do something like this. You can do 2 points admin, and then this will be admin. So if the user is admin, you keep going. If not, you do something like a response with an error. So this is how I do it. It's quite simple. You just read about middlewares, you will see how simple it is. Okay, now I have to delete all these things. Okay. Yeah, it's really easy. And it's Laravel is really nice because of that. Can develop really fast. Only problem with Laravel is that if you don't know what you are doing and you're working on a big project, if you don't cache well and stuff like that, you're gonna have problems. Because the framework itself is massive. I mean, so the code to look so good, they have to do a lot of background work. So you The level, you can create a num on the database. I don't know. It depends how you want to do the things. Or you can create a yeah, you can create a model role too. Maybe it's better another name so you don't have conflicts. But and then you can have permissions on the role. Can edit, can delete. You have to see how you do that. But it's a relationship. Or maybe you put in the user itself. If it's just 2 or 3 things, you don't need to make something really complicated. Sometimes I put too much work on some stuff too. Okay, let's see how this guy looks. Depends on the complexity you want. You have a lot of information. A lot of okay, it's good. How we call it? Trash. Okay. Yeah, that's a problem. It depends. If the work is for a client, okay, maybe you want to go really deep and do something awesome. And if you know you're gonna work the next 2 years, and maybe you work with other people, maybe you want to do something amazing, and that will pay off because in the future you can work much faster and you have less problems. But in a project like this, I want to do this as fast as I can, and then I fix it along the way. I mean, all this project I put maybe, I think 15 hours maybe. I will have a website done. Edit, delete, spam. For example, I can put edit and delete another link. The reason why I don't do that is because I'm afraid people will delete by accident, and I don't want to ask, you want to delete yes or no? So I do the lazy way. I do here, and then I go to a form, and the form have a button to delete. And the button will be really far away from, or no, why don't work? I don't do. What's going on? Okay, so something here. I have to use font also. Okay, wait. I search maybe trash. Oh, no. Why they are using this? Not that high. I don't know if this make any difference. Oh, I already have Phantasm on my code, but the thing is that I want to use the website must be really small, so load really fast, and Google index it well. Phantasm. I already have some icons here. Maybe, I don't know. I thought I have. I mean, I can see the code here. I'm not sure why it don't work. The thing is, Phantasm have like 5,000. And I just want... I'm gonna use a... There is a... I know there is a lot of solution. Because I don't want to load all the library. Or I can try. Check this out. Can find it. There is a website where you can generate a version of Phantasm with just some... Oh, Fontello. But yeah, but I think I want to use more than one, so I'm gonna take advantage of this. Let's see, trash. Oh wait, I don't want to download it. Can I research here? Here you can select like I want this guy, and then you create just a single version with this. Okay, but now I'm using front option, so I'm gonna use and I'm gonna generate after, but I will not really pay attention today to the design. I just want to see how it looks. But okay. Now should... Okay. I want something like this, and should be maybe here, and the color should not be blue for sure. And there is another one here. The important part now is actually I don't have the edit command. Really? Maybe... Oh, I see. Yeah, I thought to myself the comment have like not much. Maybe I should allow people to edit the text. Okay, I have to put that option for but for now it's something like this. Okay, all this, where this thing finish. Drop down. There is another drop down here somewhere. Golden blade. Okay, now I want to do something like this. I want to go here. Document ready. First I want to get the user information. Because the website is already loaded. I want to do this request just once. After the website is loaded, I want to get user. Is there anything with that name? No, 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 no. Okay, so here I ask for the user to the user controller. Get you. So receiver. Okay, so we're gonna get the user, and then calculate. City. Okay, I'm gonna create here. The equal result. Family sending message. Okay, so color scheme. That's a good question. Let's see. Horizon. I think it's Horizon, yeah. Or VS Code. You can search. Horizon. Right, okay. Yeah, it's really nice. I like this one. I've been using for a couple months. So if the autocomplete is fucked. I don't know why. I think it's just on this project because I use autocomplete every day. I never know these things as property. I think you write like this. As own property. You see, I never decorate these things because I don't write much code on front end. If FID, it means that I'm logged. So what I'm gonna do next? I will not do it now, but I'm gonna save the user on the user side, so I don't need to make this request every time. And then get page. Wait a second. I have to check where I am. Okay, now I know I'm inside a scam. It's easy. I can create a variable. If page scam, I can create different options like scam, listing, home. The page is a scam. I can go here and get page. Oh, first of all, I'm gonna remove the scam. Okay, I have here manage scam. So I'm gonna go each manage. I think you do like this each, not just ready anymore. Each. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the user is the same as mine. I left the button there. If not, there is a way to use HD. Okay, this is what I want each. Then have the index. I don't. But what I'm gonna do here. But oh, I cannot do this. If that equals the ID. No, if it's equal, I don't do anything. If it's not, I should hide this by default because if the request fail, I'm not showing the buttons, and it's good. Okay. Oh, this is a really nice thing. Toggle class. Not sure if this class exists. I think it's like this on the. So if the username is the user ID is equal to our user ID, we show. Hopefully, it works. If the page is equal to scam, so I have to be sure that the page exists. And how I know that, I go to app.play. I'm gonna put here. So, oh, I know how I can do it. I'm gonna do. I put here a little script just to make a global variable. So complete script, and I'm gonna make var page equals. I'm gonna page. So we're gonna send this. I'm gonna come here, scam controller. This is get scams by ID. So is no get scams by country is list. Get scams by city is list. Get scam is scam. And there is another one that is the home page. I think I don't forget anything. Actually, I forget. There is the create form. This is home. Form. Yeah, form is create and update. Update. I'm gonna put creating. So if the page is scam, I'm gonna run each drop down. Gonna show the drop downs if the user is equal to user ID. So with a single request, I can do that. Perfect. So let's see the errors. I don't expect this to work. The rule in programming, you always get scared when the thing's working. First try. Okay, so I have error because undefined variable page. Where I am? Okay, I'm inside a scam. Oh, I'm okay now. I know what, because I put inside the meta. now we'll have another error, different one. So I cannot see. Something failed. Maybe the request failed now. Do I have any JavaScript error? Yes, I have. Can't find country ID. What I have done. Wait. Oh, okay. What the hell I'm doing? I'm blind. This is not a post, is it? We are live for almost 2 hours. Okay, now we should have an error here. Yeah, that's good. Get user doesn't exist. Okay, so the method doesn't exist. Means that I'm dumb and I write get user. Okay, so let's see again. Okay, you can see the button here. It means it worked. So I got my information back and I'm showing the button. If I'm other guy, I will not be able to see the button. So now let's see. People following me on Twitter, let's see. Oh, a lot of people follow me on Twitch too. Zinner, Dan Markello, Pons, Ricard. That's nice. Okay, so now the plan is I already have the edit button. What I need more? I need to know if I already like this thing or not. I could have that information here. That would be much better. What I can do here, easy. And send page. So then I check if the page is a scam. Then I get this scam ID. Okay. I'm gonna do, I just have the variable scam when I'm inside the scam, so I'm gonna do it here. Let's make it clean. Var scam ID, and I'm gonna do, if I have a scam here, I'm gonna do scam ID. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do is set scam and is set scam. I print the scam ID right here. Okay. Actually, I want this variable to exist anyway. We're gonna put 0 by default, and then if exists, I'm gonna overwrite the value, and then I can send your scam ID, no problem. All good. Now on the user controller, we should not do this because user is just for user information, but it's okay. My project, do whatever I want. I don't need to follow rules. If we need here request, and then if request has page, and if request, I think I can access directly to page equals scam. Let's reduce number of levels. Okay, so if now I want to know user likes, no, votes. Yeah, I already have that information here. What I'm gonna do? Oh, it's not the user likes, if it's vote or not. So we're gonna put all together. Vote. No, we're gonna put vote. I want to do something like this. Vote equals. I need to get the scam ID. Request scam ID. Internet is shitty now. Sorry guys. So, and I'm gonna merge user merge vote, and hopefully this thing works. Not phones JSON. Okay, we can delete this method because we don't need. So what I can do here is I can actually merge all the time. Ah, Okay, it's better, maybe. Let me think. Yeah, okay, I don't need. Because I know it is a scam. So, and I know there is a, okay, the user ID exists. So the vote, if it's true or false, will exist. First, I want to see how this thing will look like. Where is information? There, explode. Boom. Merge, cannot merge. Defined method. Merge exists. Okay, let's learn Laravel. Laravel merge object. So it's a collection. It's not a collection? Or maybe it's not a collection. Okay, let's do other way. Okay. User array and vote through. Amazing. Let's see one that I don't vote. I'm here. I don't vote on this one, and I should be able to see here false. Perfect. That's some skill, huh? Okay, this error actually don't exist. I can read here. Unexpected. Where is unexpected? Say I have a. Oh. No, it's okay. Everything is alright here, and they keep saying me that there is an error here. So what I'm gonna do is, if, let's say here, oh, it's a boolean. Ah, perfect. User vote. The user vote. I'm gonna. Oh, it's the layout. I don't know of the button. Remember the class. Okay, here I have some logic. If it's voted, I put down vote. Since I'm gonna cache this shit, I cannot rely on this. This will be all wrong. So, oh my god, I'm hungry. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna maybe delete this. Okay, let's delete this. Let's search for the upvote. If the vote is equal false, no, equal true, No, put I don't need. I don't like to put. I'm gonna search for upvote. I'm gonna toggle class downvote. Yeah, downvote. Okay. If he's not voted, I don't do anything. There is any other thing? The amount of votes that I can update. Okay, just this. MID is always the same. Will this work? Errors. Wow. So here I cannot see the downvote. Upvote. Perfect. So I'm gonna do this. I see. I don't have the downvote. Let's see. So as well. Okay, I have the downvote class here. Is it another one? One. I already vote here. Yeah, downvote. When I downvote, I should remove the downvote. I don't know why I don't. I mean, I know why it's a bug. Okay. That one is not working. Toggle class downvote. Why not? That's good. Not working. Actually, it's working, but Safari don't update the classes here. Yeah. Oh, I don't need to change. Was perfect. Okay. So now I'm able to cache literally everything because yeah, only two parts that I cannot cache for everyone are these, and I already take care of that. Of course, I make an extra request each time I visit a page, but it's not a big deal. Because it's much easier to see votes and see the user than do all the listing of files every time someone visits. Okay, what I can do more? Let's go to OBS. So we already done the user request plus info. Delete scam and comment. Yeah, I'm gonna do delete button. Okay, so what I'm gonna do? Add some tasks. Okay, this is done. Resize all the image. That's important. I have to install a library. I can do that in the end. That's not hard. One image for each country. Oh, this will be so boring. I'm gonna put this one. A better design and one image. Okay, this I will put in the end. This one I'm gonna test off offline because I have to fix something on my. I have to fix something on my virtual machine because something is wrong with the email. Each time I run the mail function, I got an error. So one will be here. Off. Because will be boring, I have to search and install stuff. So what I'm gonna do now? We're gonna add the delete button and the edit button. Oh, I have to do other thing, which is a little bit boring. Make user permissions because now anyone can do anything. I need to limit. This is kind of fast, just boring. The permissions. Delete all buttons. No, delete buttons, okay. Let's do the delete thing and the update link. So I'm visiting the scam and it's my scam. I click here and then I click here and I go to the edit. First I have to see what is the URL. Update. Scam update ID. Okay, perfect. Scam update and then MID. edit comment, yeah. So the edit comment option will be similar, will be comment update, comment ID, yeah, something like that. Okay, so is working, guy. On with pictures. Okay. Okay, the pictures are here. This cam I have to fix all the design thing. I want to do a big button. I'm gonna put this one here on the right. Updates. Yeah, I want this button. Then I'm gonna do a delete scam button. Danger. Delete scam. Then I come here, my form. Cannot see where I close the form. Which is a little bit odd. Okay, here I was not. So delete scam delete. I'm here. And the method is delete. Let's see if this thing works. Oh, first let me check the delete method. Scam delete scam. Scam controller. Delete scam. Okay. What's going to happen here is that I'm gonna change this. ID. Oops. Butter. Work. I'm so sleepy. And then I delete all the comments. I delete all the votes. I delete the scam. Okay. And then I want to visit home page. How I can do that? Home. I can do something like return, redirect, home. Since I think home. Yeah. Home. Yeah. We have a home. So hopefully this thing will work. If not, nothing I can do. Hey, delete scam. I don't want to do this one. I have so much content. I'm gonna delete another one. I'm gonna delete this internet scam. Let's make a comment first. This is a comment. And let's vote. Okay. And let's delete the scam. This is wrong. I'll do first because I already checked if it exists or not. Ooh, not good. Okay. So I think we delete. Or we don't. Still here. Live goals. Leave. Delete. We are almost done. Actually, before there was 12 people watching. It was really nice. First, I'm gonna do. Oh, how it's possible? I don't even know. I'm gonna. I'm not using this. Okay, let's. Oh shit, not good. Maybe I did some shortcut. Thank you. Okay, so now I want to delete scams and hopefully we'll delete everything. Let's see. Okay, meta delete, ID, token. That's good. After this, I'm gonna check if I can get the scam by the ID. Perfect. Scam is here. So delete the scam. I just need scam delete or no. Okay, I need scam ID and delete the vote. And I need to delete the comments. Let's see, comment controller. Delete comments. Scam for each comment. Scam. Okay. Oh, this is a lot of stuff. Image comment. Better do request is ID. And here I want to do comment where I delete. Hopefully this work. So I don't think. Now what I'm gonna do? Um, hopefully gonna delete our scam. Internet scam. Boom. Perfect. Another error. Boom. Means that I'm not deleting the comment first. I think this one is not working. Okay, let's see one thing. PD here. comment. Check on the database because I think something has come. The number 10 ID is number 10. Okay, perfect. So there is any comment with 10? Actually there is 2. So let's try it here. Cam comments. I want to explode here first. How it? Okay. Original. Okay, this is scam with ID 10. And what I want to get the comment. Now, show the comments. Yeah, 2 comments. So I think it's because I'm using. So if I have this mistake here, I believe I should have this mistake. Controller. Ah. So let's already. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna create a comment with an image, a small one. Okay, it's working. Now I have to fix the bug. Comment. Bug here. So after that I will do the edit comment and delete comment. How many hours I'm doing this stream? 2 hours and 30 minutes. Gonna do more. 30 minutes maybe. And then I'm done. Okay. So let's see. Oh my god, I'm starving. Okay. We're gonna finish the edit comments and delete comment, and then we are done for today. And tomorrow will be my day off, but I'm gonna stream anyway because I need to finish. So let's see. First view scan. So okay, something is wrong here. This now what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna update the update scam. I'm gonna copy all this thing. Maybe I don't. Let me think. Command controller. Let's see. I'm gonna use this. Command update. Okay, I'm gonna need this a scam ID. I'm gonna need an ID. Comment. Okay, actually I don't need a scam ID because I will just update the comment. So, and the comment must be mine. Important. Scam controller. And update scam. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna back in 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I have to put a text. People. My screen is yellow for me, but I'm not sure if you see yellow or white. I back 5 minutes. Okay, let's go. I go. I forget something. So guys, I'm back. So what I'm doing now is gonna edit and delete the comment, and then I go eat some rice. Babe, I show you my website. Check this. Cannot come in. Check this out, babe. I want you here so I become famous. 0 people watching this. Drive everywhere. 0. It's a website where you can search scams. So imagine you go to Khao Yai. Huh? Khao Yai. Let's see. Don't have, maybe. But have Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is bigger. Chiang Mai, you see? Then you visit and you can see the scams there. For example, I create this one, Bosnia. You read the scam, blah blah blah, take care with the taxes, stuff like that. When I have a good design and stuff, I'm here. Oh. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna allow people to edit the comments and delete the comments. Baby, you want to sit on next to me? Oh, one person watching. You stay here, we go to 15, 20. I'm gonna change the name of the stream. Teaching Asian girl to code. What do you think? Okay, so update the comment. I get the ID. You will not understand anything I say. It's like Chinese. Yeah? Same when you speak Thai. I don't understand. Okay, babe. It's like it's code with colors, so people understand. And doing magic here. Kind of magic. Same thing. Okay, so here I have the comment. I'm creating a new comment. Why? Don't need to be here if you don't. I have to understand how I did this shit. Sometimes I have a hard time to. Okay. I don't want new comment. I want to find comment. I'm talking is not for you, it's for maybe you're thinking, why are you explaining me this? Okay. So user ID I cannot change. MID I cannot change. Text I can change. The guy sent me the text, I change the text. And then I upload the image if there is some image. Then what I can do is I want to back to the page where the comment is. So I find MID, country ID, and I redirect the person there. Okay, perfect. I think this one will work. Let's see. But now I need to go to routes, web, and I need to get comment update comment ID. Show. Oh, yeah. Comment form Now command controller. So update form, okay. Forget. Let's do fast. Show update form, okay. So what I want now. I want to go to the scam controller. Scam update. Copy all this. Comment ID. Comment by the ID. Comment user ID. Comment ID. With image first. I don't really need cities and country. Yeah. Just really need the comment. And the meta, yeah. Otherwise this will break. And now what I'm gonna do is I have to get the update form from the scam. I'm gonna recycle this code. Update comment. And now we're gonna change. Here is not comment ID. Every single place where I can see comment word, scam word, I'm gonna change. There is some stuff I can delete, like there is no countries in the comment. There is no city in the comment. There is no title. So there is the description called text. Text, okay. So what we're gonna do is right here, comment text. And it's called text. There is image. Okay, yeah. Can upload image. And I can show the image that already exists. How I do that? Wrong. Comment images. I can update, and here I can comment ID. I can delete the comment. And let's see if I have already have the route to do. I'm not sure. I have to do this really fast because she is getting furious with me. She's gonna start to delete my code. Babe, I'm going. 5 minutes. Babe, don't delete my code. Let's see if this thing works. Whoa, what's going on? We fuck up something. Okay. First of all, I sleep 11 hours in the last 3 days. I did the math. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna fix this bug or not. I think there is a chance I'm gonna destroy my website. Oh. Okay. Comment. Delete image, image ID, comment ID, and image ID. Okay, perfect. I think now it will work. Hopefully. Nope. Where is the bug? Okay. I see what's going on. I think comment is missing somewhere, maybe in image. Show update form. Okay. Image. This is what happened when you are sleeping. Oh shit, more errors. Final variable scam. Where is this? Okay, I know what's going on. Date, comment. Oh my god. The word scam anyway. Date comment. Okay, this comment ID. And if this works, I'm gonna eat because I'm starving. Okay, so can you comment? I'm gonna change to totally different comment. And I'm gonna upload a picture. Want a small picture? Let me see the size. The image of my building. Method not allowed. Okay, we have a problem. Oh shit. What's going on? Method not allowed. Change not the patch. Oh, the update is patch. Huh? Patch. Okay. On. What is the comment? Comment ID. What is of the update? Okay, now will work. Okay, it worked. Perfect. Now I'm gonna edit again. And first I'm gonna delete the image. It worked. Now I'm gonna update the comment without the image. Now I'm gonna delete the comment, hopefully. Boom. Error, babe. Error. Delete comment doesn't exist. How it's possible? I've been working on this shit for 30 years. This don't work. Scan controller. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new method. Public function. How I'm sending the delete scams. Okay, is a request. I'm gonna copy this one just to make things faster. And first thing I want to get the comment. Where user ID, perfect. Then I want to get actually the scam because I need to redirect. I should redirect the person to the same place they are before. They were before. Yeah, it makes sense. I'd redirect them to. Let's direct them to the scams. Comment ID. Then I get the scam get the counter in redirect. Okay, perfect. But I will not redirect. Comment controller. What I'm gonna do first is first I'm gonna delete the image of this comment. Then I'm gonna delete the comment itself. And then I'm gonna redirect the person. And it's done. I can go eat. I survive one more day. Shit. We have a error. Oh shit. Comment. Am I? Oh yeah, baby. It's done. I go. Guys, was a pleasure. No one is watching now. Anyway, I'm recording the video. I can keep talking. So tomorrow we're gonna finish the design here, put the website online, and maybe someone will use this. I hope. Thank you. Bye bye.